So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Bun on your Windows 11 PC. So firstly, let's move in our browser and here we will search for Bun. Yeah, this is the one which we will be searching for. A fast all-in-one JavaScript runtime. Just scroll down a little bit. You will see the commands for Linux as well as Windows as well as Mac OS. So since I am using Windows, I will just copy this one and close my browser. After that, I will just right click here and open my terminal as administrator. Now I will just copy paste that command. I will just paste that command. This will start downloading my bun. You can see that it is almost downloaded. Now you can see that bun 1.3.1 is successfully installed, and this is the directory where it is installed right now. Now this is showing that we have to restart our terminal and then type bun. So we will just create a new terminal here and type out bun. Now you can see that Bun is a fast JavaScript runtime, package manager, bundler, and test runner. At the same time, we can also check for bun-v. This will give us the bun version. The alternate command is also like bun version. Both these will give the same response. Now, you can see that our bun is successfully installed. If you want to delete bun, you can just go in that directory where it is installed and delete that folder. Your bun will be deleted. So that's all for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.